Hello everyone, welcome to the Statistic channel, and today we will discuss about biology ICSE class 7th biology Srijan Veer Bala Rastogi chapter first tissue. So this is a very nice chapter and very interesting. So keep learning and keep watching till end. Without wasting our more time, let's start. All living organisms are made up of cells. Yes, we have discussed about in channels. Means all living organisms. जो भी organism living organisms है वो cells से बने हैं. In single cells organisms, all the life process such as nutrition, respirations, excretions and reproductions are performed by a single cells. तो ये जो लाइफ प्रोसेस है न्यूट्रिशन रेस्पिरेशन एक्सक्रीशन रिप्रोडक्शंस ये परफॉर्म है अ सिंगल सेल से मीन्स अ यूनिसेलुलर सिंगल ऑर्गेनिज्म से. इन मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स cells are specified to carry out different functions and organized into tissues, organisms and organ systems which collectively form organisms. It is saying that a single cell in multicellular cells are specified to carry out different functions. Means it is carrying different functions and organized into tissues, organs and organ systems. It is group of tissues is group of organs and which organ system group of organ system which meet a organisms. Talk about what is organism. So underline this point are living things which we can compare to a machine. We have let us suppose a living organism just compared to a machine. Okay, just a machine has different parts. Yeah, machines have a different parts to perform different jobs. Living organisms also have different bodies. So like this, the which machine compared to a machine, just as a machine has a different parts to perform different jobs. Yeah, so that ways, so that living organisms also have the different body parts to work in an a organized and coordinated fashion. In Hindi we can say ताल से ताल मिलाना, मतलब coordinate fashion you can understand. Therefore organization is a manner in which smaller units of any substance or systems are arranged. So an organism in the manner in which smaller units of the any structure means any system are arranged means systems are arranged into larger units in a hierarchical fashion means inter hierarchical fashions. You can see such an organisms in the whole living world such as organisms in the whole living world and different levels of the organisms and from organisms to biosphere. Yes, this is the biosphere. This is the coordinated fashion we can say. So levels of organization. Organizations in living world begins at the level of the cell and from the cell to the level of the organism. The group of organisms up to the biosphere shows in figure 1.1. So organization in living world means we are in living where at the level of the cell and from the cell to the level of organism, the groups of organisms up to the biosphere, organisms to biosphere, it will call levels of organizations. So as shown in figure 1.1, the organisms becomes more and more complex step by step. Each step means it is right we will complex to step by step. Each such step in the organization represents one level of organizations. Yes, it is leveling one level of organizations in more complex and the previous one. Broadly, three measures levels or organizations can be identified. So let's talk about the three organisms which can be identified. Organisms level of organisms B. Levels of organism lower to organisms A. Level of organisms higher to organisms C, which you can see in the chart. In the chart you can see the biosphere and ecosystem. See, biosphere, biosphere, ecosystem, community, populations, and organisms. Organ system, organs, tissues, cells. They are the lower levels, and higher level populations, community, ecosystem, biosphere. So, an individual organisms either unicellular or multicellular. Cellular means an individual, we cannot see the organisms in the unicellular or multicellular, a plant or an animal or even a bacterium also separate to biological unit. It performs the all the life activity which you can represent organism level of organization. So first we will talk about levels of organization lower to organisms. All the all the unicellular or multicellular are the form of cells. Yes, the cells are related molecules has also the levels of organizations we will talk about from molecule to wait to organisms level of included. First is molecular level, second is cellular level, third is tissue level, fourth is organ level, and organ system level. So all living things are made up of cells, we know till now. A cell has organelles like mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, etc. These cells are made up of organic molecules like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acid. The molecules are formed by various elements. Together they form the living substance, the protoplasm, example cytoplasm and matter of the nucleus. But alone they do not function as unit. Yes, thus it is organizations hierarchy molecular level is the lowest level of organism. It is the very lowest level of organisms in the world, like atom, atom to molecule, molecule to compound, compound to organism to cells. Their cellular level is the level which you can. So guys, we are ending this session now, and wherever you are any doubt, so please comment in this section, and please follow and like and subscribe to this my channel and support me till end. तब तक के लिए bye.